Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use VO3, the new AI video generator, right inside Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Canva, then on your home page, just select Canva AI. After that, just choose create a video clips. Now just type your video idea or a prompt. For example, I will type like this. And you can also use your microphone to generate a prompt with your voice, and then you can adjust the styles and adjust the ratio, durations, and then framing. Even you can adjust a lighting. And once you're done setting everything up, just hit generate. And see, your video has been created automatically. Let's play the video. Like this, it's so amazing. And then besides generating a video from text or voice prompts, you can also upload a photo by click this plus icon. And then you can upload a photo from your Canva or from your device. I will upload from my device. And then I will write a prompt like this. And then just click generate. Okay. Oh, the video may not replicate the photo exactly, but let's play the video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The next still suits this video, so the score versus 1.
Oh, but the result still looks great. And maybe that's it. How is it to create AI videos in Canva using VO3? Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.